Okay, starting my speech in 3, 2, 1. When a leader orders you to watch your loved ones be incinerated to create another new and stronger leader or a new stronger being, would you want to leave it alone when you have your own personal interest and you have your own integrity? Therefore, proposition is here to prove to you why under our side of the house we get the interest of the actor, which is the taksaka itself, and then secondly, we'll try to prove to you on the justification and the impacts, especially not only towards the global or like the galactic system, but also towards the entire population of humans and also taksaka itself. 3 points of setups then. Firstly, what is going on in the status quo and why it is urgent to prevent Dwipanga's birth. From the start, taksaka was ordered to protect humanity from the evil forces of Dharma Wangsa, which is one of their more important orders from the god itself. And then secondly, they are ordered to not interfere with human civilization, and we'll try to prove to you on why even if they already have like platonic and romantic relationship, it is still justified and it is not considered as interfering with the human civilization. Therefore, when Dwipanga seed was implanted on Earth, we think it is already backlashing with so many things. What does it need to be backed off? Firstly, the order given to protect humanity and like not interfering is still available under our side of the house. Even if like that was not the goal, like the main goal was to try and ward off the evil forces of the galactic system, we think at the very least they are still capable to fight the evil. This is proof to you as to why, or like the status quo, we still have human beings, they still have a happy life. Therefore, if they are not able to cater and like they are not able to protect the humanity from the evil forces, we think the humanity wouldn't be existing anyway at the very end. Then secondly, Taksaka is currently seen as a second choice or a mere soldier that is replaceable in the status quo. Therefore, when it is replaceable, we think you already have their own incentive to cater off and at the very least gain yourself some benefit rather than just a mere tool to get someone's interest to be fulfilled. Therefore, it is the exact exclusive benefit and our burden under our side of the house. And then secondly, what is the purpose of Gajayana? You realize that the purpose of Gajayana and Taksaka is to ward off the evil forces. 2 points here. Firstly, we think there are absolutely no sense of urgency if only few Taksaka was able to come to Earth and completely protect it. Therefore, what's the heart of making even more Taksakas, or maybe even improving the quality and also like the experience of the Taksaka itself to create even more stronger soldiers to fight off against the evil forces? And then secondly, even if it is talking about the evil forces that is being improved time by time, or like the hordes of evil is being stronger time by time, we think it is still catered under our side of the house because the higher beings already have the capability to create more and more Taksaka. It's not limited, which is not in the fiat of side opposition either way. Therefore, there are absolutely no urgency of you trying to create the taksaka to be suffered anyway. And then lastly, we think they've already been habituated so much, therefore it is creating a bigger dependency of the taksaka towards the humans itself, i.e. like rather than just the creators of them just like ordering to protect Earth, which was basically lowly towards like how their status was like an extraterrestrial being. Therefore, we think it is already a higher amount of dependency, hence the likelihood of betterly catering and like trying to protect their own personal interest, which is to protect the humanity, which they already have a deep connection with. Therefore, we are so proud to propose. Then what is Taksaka's main interest? Since they are an extraterrestrial being, they want to be having a sustainability. They want to maintain balance for the galaxy or even for their own ego and personal choice. The proof is, even without Dwipanga not born yet, they still are able to protect the galaxy. They still are able to protect humans, and for their own sake, their closest friends, aka human beings, their wives, maybe even their children, at the very least under our side of the house, it is still going to be catered. It is still going to be saved. Therefore, our stance is very simple. We want to prevent Dwipanga's birth by 3 points. Fighting to save human beings, which they already have done so, and it is their main order, and they also have a mutual connection to. Then secondly, it is their main purpose, created to protect humans, even if it's not. At the very least, they've already been fulfilled to take their promises to ward off the evil forces at the end of the day. And then lastly, prevention, completely destroying or not allowing Dwipanga into this world, especially to save their closest relatives and like closest people. And then lastly, this is this household motion, and also considered an actor's motion. Therefore, our burden is simple. Which side is going to be more urgent and more justified? And then secondly, the mechanization to cater so to imply and incur the interest of the set of the actor itself, which is taksaka in this case. Therefore, two more points of arguments then. Firstly, why taksaka's choice is going to be justified? Here's the analysis. We think like the main clash of justification is based on the internal and also external factors that is being given by the extraterrestrial beings, right? Which is going to be their internal connection with humans, or the deep connection with humans, against the order which they are born into this world to try and obey, or like obey the higher beings, or not even interfering too much with the human civilization. But under affirmative, we're gonna try to prove to you, A, we think they did not interfere too much with the human civilization. It is only in the forms of like only romantic or platonic relationship, maybe friends, families, or maybe even children, in the utmost best case of side opposition. It is not going to immediately build like a galactical wonder on Earth's surface. Therefore, the order of interfering is not broken under our side of the house. It is still fulfilling their own orders. Therefore, we think the main usage of like the taksaka is still fulfilled. And then secondly, we think their deep connection is justified due to how humans have shown not only their good side but also their bad and evil sides. And if the humans themselves already fulfill the prerequisite of like being a good person towards the taksaka, we think it is already going to cater the internal acceptance of the taksaka, hence the higher interest of the taksaka itself to be able and to want to protect humans at the end of the day, compared to watching them explode to watch another higher being created, which the only connection you have is the fact that they created you and give you orders at the end of the day. Therefore, the weighing is simple, going to try and cater the internal feelings of you yourself, or try to fulfill other people's interests. Therefore, it is exclusive under our side of the house. But then secondly, what would happen to humans and taksakas if Earth was saved, or if it wasn't actually saved, right? Firstly, if it wasn't saved, at the very least, under our side of the house, they fought for what humans they fight for what or whom they actually love. Meaning, it is still going to be fulfilling their interest. Like you realize how like when you are on the verge of death, all you can think of is your family, your loved ones. Meaning, the fact that you still are able to have the chance to fight for who you actually love, meaning you already have catered your own personal interest, which is to protect who is the closest person you are, and it is only exclusive to us under our side of the house. Why is this? Under their side, they're trying to protect and say that and sacrifice the entirety of humanity, the earth itself, to create another being to have and lose their own mutual connection and deep connection towards the people who they already love. Meaning, this cut off is only exclusive harm towards underside opposition. Please explain why under your side it is still going to be catered. And then secondly, even if they are going to be punished for what they actually done, we think at the very least, the fact that they already fought and they are going to die together with the stance of them fighting for who they love is already enough to fulfill someone's interest. And even if it was safe, we think it is going to cater a bigger and also a better life for the Tatsaka itself, which is the happy and fulfilling life of them being able to spend time with their family, of them being able to spend all their old times with their family. And the burden push is simple under our side of the house. Under their side of the house. What is the benefit for Taksaka under their side? We are so proud to propose.